Hello friends, iOS 14 is loaded with so many privacy features. One of them is this Photos Access feature. This feature is little tricky and I thought I should explain you guys how you can use this feature. This is the feature which you would be using a lot when iOS 14 launches in September, or if you have already installed iOS 14 public beta on your iPhone. So let's see how you can utilize this feature. So let's say we want to send some photos to our friend using this WhatsApp app. So let's launch this app. And now when we tap on this photos option here, photos and videos, this pop-up you would get in every single app that's trying to access your photos. So here you got two options: select more photos and then keep the current selection. Since we don't have any photos here, so you want to select more photos. Now here it is showing all the photos that are available in the Photos app on your iPhone. So you want to select only the photos that you want to send. So let's select few random photos. So these are the photos that I have selected. Now you want to hit on this done option here. And now as you can see, it has added these three photos to WhatsApp app. This is the album view inside the WhatsApp app. As you can see, it has got only these three photos here and all the other albums are empty. Only one screenshot here because we have one screenshot out of these three photos. So now we have only three photos that WhatsApp can access from your camera roll. Now you want to select the photo that you want to send to your friend and hit on this send button. Now we have sent one photo. Now supposedly I want to send more photos to my friends. So when I tap on this plus icon and tap on photos and video library, as you can see, it is not giving me any option to add more photos and videos to this album inside WhatsApp. So now there are two different ways to add photos and videos to this library inside WhatsApp. What you can do is simply tap cancel and go to settings on your iPhone. Here you want to search for WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp app and select photos. Now here you can see this edit selected photos option. You want to tap on that option. And as you can see that it again shows that album view. Now we have got three photos selected. If you want, you can remove the check mark and WhatsApp won't be able to access those photos again, or you can add more photos if you want to. So now I have added total 6 photos to WhatsApp app and let's hit done. Now when I launch WhatsApp app, tap on the plus icon, photo video library. As you can see, I have now total 6 number of photos that I can send to my friend. So this is one of the method. Now there is another method that you can try to add photos and videos to this WhatsApp app. What you want to do is completely close this WhatsApp app. Let's close this. This app is completely closed. Now you want to launch the app again. And this time when you tap on this plus icon, photo and video library, it's gonna again ask you to add more photos and videos to your WhatsApp app album. So this time you want to select more photos and then you can add few more photos to it and then hit done. Now as you can see, we have now more photos to share inside WhatsApp app, and this is the method which I prefer a lot. Now there's one more thing that I wanted to share. If I close this WhatsApp app, now when I tap on this camera icon, it again gives me that pop-up. Select more photos and keep current selection. If you want to shoot pictures from your camera and send to your friends, you want to select keep current selection option. And then you can click a picture and then you can send it to your friend. The best part is the same photo will be saved to your Photos app also. As you can see, this is the photo we just took. So these are the small things which I thought I should discuss with you all, because this is the feature that you're going to use a lot when iOS 14 launches in September. So that's all for today. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.